It's time for a whole new world on piano. Now, do you trust me? I said, do you trust me? Then jump! First, I want to say that you probably know this song. You probably can't help but sing along when you hear it come on the radio. So if you do know it that well, I encourage you to sing along as you play. It's going to help you keep track of where you are in the song. Speaking of where we are, I'm going to do just a short excerpt from the middle of the song. If you're looking on the sheet music online from Sheet Music Direct, I'm doing the easy piano version. I'm on page 2 at the very bottom, the last measure where it says, A Whole New World. That's where we're beginning. You can find a link to download the music in the description below. First, I'll play it for you once. A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world with you. So I'm just going to teach you the melody today. First, we're going to start with our right hand in E minor position. That means our one finger on E, and all fingers get a white key except for your 2 finger or your index finger. That'll be on the black key. I'm going to play this part for you once and then show you. A whole new world. So we start on our 2 finger, step up, skip up, and then come back down. A whole new world. Now you try. Good. The next part goes, a dazzling place I never knew. So this starts the same way A Whole New World starts. A dazzling place. Then we have 3 more notes. I never knew. Start on your thumb, skip up, then come down to your index finger. Play that twice. A dazzling place I never knew. Now you try. Yeah, right. Let's go back to the beginning. A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. Now you try. This next part I'll show you first. But when I'm way up here. So, you notice I did something tricky. It's not as hard as it seems. You're going to play your 2 finger and anchor it down on that note. Then tuck your thumb under to play that next note, and your 2 finger will come around to the note above your thumb. But when I'm. Now you try those 3 notes. Yeah. To add, but when I'm way up here. So we're going to skip our 3 finger and go to this black key that we have our 4 finger on. Way up here. The 2 together sound like this. But when I'm way up here. Now you try. Great. Now you're going to bring on your left hand, the hand that you've been wondering where it's been all this time. We're going to put our thumb on D. That's in between these 2 black notes. And this little note where we say it's, we're going to play with our thumb. It's crystal clear. So you play with your thumb, then you jump back up to your 4 finger, crystal clear. So you step up to your pinky, then go all the way down to your 2 finger. It's crystal clear. Now you try. Good. Now remember, you can pause and go back anytime, but let's try to play this whole line together from But When I'm. You're going to start in E minor position and immediately cross under. Ready? But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear. Good. Now for this next part, your right hand will come back down to D major position. That means all fingers have a key, but your 3rd finger is under F sharp. That now I'm in a whole new world with you. So you start on your thumb, then play hot cross buns or mi, re, do, just going down to your thumb again. That now I'm in a step up, then we skip up to our 4th finger. Whole new, step down, whole new, then skip back down to our thumb, world. Now this last part's a little tricky. You cross your 2 finger over to C sharp, the black key, while you keep your thumb on D. You play your 2 finger, and then play your thumb again. So this whole thing looks like this. That now I'm in a whole new world with you. Try doing it once on your own and then we'll play together. All right, ready? That now I'm in a whole new world with you. You did it! All right, let's try to play the whole song from the beginning. Remember, if you missed anything or if anything didn't click right away, go back and review it. Ready? A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world with you. You did it! I hope you enjoyed learning a whole new world of piano. I mean on piano. We offer new lessons and tutorials every week. Be sure to subscribe to Hoffman Academy. Happy practicing!